Good morning, students. I am your science teacher. My name is Ganesh and I am going to take science of class 10th. Okay. Before starting the science lecture, first of all we should know how many branches are there in science. First 1 to 5 chapter is of chemistry. Chapter 1, chapter 2, 3, 4, 5 is of chemistry. Chapter 6, chapter 7, 8, 9 is of biology. Chapter 10, 11, 12, 13 is of physics. 14, 15 is your natural science. Okay. Now today we are going to start chapter number 1, that is chemical reaction and equation. Before starting the chapter, we should know what is chemical reaction. Okay, what is chemical reaction? Chemical reaction होता क्या है? So in our day-to-day life, there are many chemical reactions taking place. Some of them are noticing, some of them are ignoring, and some of them are very eager to know what happens. How is chemical reaction taking place? Simple examples I am going to give you about rusting of iron. You might be noticed about the color of iron changes when it is kept open in air as well as in water, open atmosphere. So why does it happens? So ये आयरन का जो कलर जो है वो चेंज क्यों हो रहा है, उसका मेन पर्पस क्या है? तो आयरन इज़ अ मेटल. Iron is a metal. So when it comes in contact with water and oxygen, it reacts with that and some chemical reaction takes place on its surface. So slowly what happens? Some brown color powder will come outside. Okay, so in that way degradation of, or you can say decomposition of iron takes place. Second one is digestion of food. Whatever the food we are eating and we are getting energy from that food, that means some of the chemical reaction takes place inside our body. So whatever the food we are taking, it is a complex molecule. So in the presence of oxygen, because during respiration we are taking oxygen, that oxygen reacts with food particles and breaks down into simple forms so that energy is distributed all over the body. Okay, then during respiration we are taking O2 and releasing CO2. That is also one type of chemical reactions. So in that way many chemical reactions takes place. Then how to represent the chemical reactions? So chemical reactions can be represented by chemical equation. Chemical equation. Before that, you have to remember the 4 important points through which we can identify whether chemical reaction is taking place or not. 4 important points. First one is, during any chemical reaction there might be change in color. Second, change in temperature. Third, change in state. If state changes means chemical reaction has taken place. And production of gas. If any gas is produced, that means chemical reaction has taken place. Okay? Understood? So you have to remember these 4 points. During chemical reaction, there is change in color, change in state, production of gas, and you have studied about change in state, change in color, change in temperature, and production of gas. These 4 important things you have to remember in your mind during any chemical reactions. Okay, so tomorrow we will discuss about how to represent this chemical reaction in the form of chemical equation. Okay.